Good morning to all. I hope all are fine. Welcome again to Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Revati, your English teacher. We already know what a noun is. What is a noun? A noun is a name given to people, animals, places or things. A noun is a name given to people, animals, places or things. And also we discuss the classification of nouns. The nouns mainly classified into 5 types. There are common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. Today let us discuss another classification of noun. According to the number, the nouns classified into 2 types. Singular and plural. Singular and plural. What is singular and plural? Singular nouns names one person, place, things or ideas. Singular nouns names one person, one place, one animal, one thing, one idea. While plural nouns names more than one person, places, animals or ideas. Plural nouns names more than one person, place, animals, things or ideas. Simply we can say that singular means one. Plural means more than one or many. There are few basic rules to changing singular to plural. There are few basic rules while changing singular to plural. The first rule, while changing singular to plural, we generally add s to the end of the word. We generally add s to the end of the word. For examples, look at the board. Add s to the end of the word. Girl. What is the spelling of girl? G-I-R-L. While changing this singular word into plural, we add s to the end of the word. It became girls. Girl, girls. Bottle, bottles. Cup, cups. Pencil, pencils. Lion, lions. Desk, desk. One more time. Girl, girls. Bottle, bottles. Cup, cups. Pencil, pencils. Lion, lions. Desk, desk. And the second rule, if singular nouns ends with s, ss, ch, sh, x, z, we generally add es to the end of the word to make them plural. Just look at the board. If singular nouns ends with s, ss, ch, sh, x, z, we generally add es to the end of the word to make them plural. For example, s, bus, buses, bus, buses, double s, class, classes, CLASSES, CH, batch, batches, SH, brush, brushes, BRUSH, BRUSHES. Next, X, tax, taxes, TAX, TAXES. Next, Z. Z is little different from that, because if you changing the singular to plural, quiz, the Z comes last. You just add one more Z and add the ES. For example, quiz. Quiz spelling QUIZ. QUIZZES. Okay. And third rule, some nouns exactly the same That means we use the word both a singular and plural. Just look at the board. Some words exactly the same. Deer, deer. Sheep, sheep. These words we use as both singular and plural. Some words modify their spelling while changing singular into plural. Some words modify their spelling while changing singular to plural. For example, child, children, child, children. Singular form child, children, plural. Man, men, man, men. Woman, women, woman, women. Mouse, mice. Mouse is a singular, mice, plural. Goose, geese, goose, geese. Tooth, teeth, tooth, teeth. Foot, feet, foot, feet. Once more, child, children, man, men, woman, women, mouse, mice, goose, geese, tooth, teeth, foot, feet. The next rule, some nouns ends with F or FV. We change the F or FV, then add VES to the end of the word to make them plural. Some nouns ends with F or FE. We change the F or FE, then add VES to the end of the word to make them plural. Some nouns ends with F or FV. We change F or FV, then add VES. For example, leaf, leaves, leaf, leaves, wife, wives, shelf, shelves, thief, thieves, leaf, leaves, wife, wives, shelf, shelves, thief, thieves. But in English language, there are some exceptional nouns also. Roof, roofs, chief, chiefs, belief, beliefs, proof, proofs. There are some exceptional nouns. Next rule, some nouns ends with Y. We generally change the Y into I, then add ES to the end of the word to make the plural. Some nouns ends with Y. We change Y into I, then add ES to the end of the word. Just look at the board. For example, nouns ends with Y. We change the Y into I and add ES. Story. STORY. We change the Y into I, then add ES. Story, stories. City, cities. Baby, babies. Fairy, fairies. But some nouns ends with Y. But it preceding the vowel, we generally add S to the end of the word. What does mean proceeding? That means if some nouns ends with Y after a vowel sound. Which are the vowel sounds in English? A, E, I, O, U. The Y comes after these vowel sound. We generally add S to the end of the word. For examples, boy, boys. B, O, Y. So we add S to the end of the word. Boys. Toy, toys. Key, keys. Day, days. And other rules, some nouns have only plural form. The singular and plural form same, but we use it as a plural. Some nouns have only plural form. For example, jeans, jeans. Pants, pants. Clothes, clothes. Trousers, trousers. We use as singular and plural, but it's a plural form. But some nouns have only singular form, but the words ends with S. Economics, maths, aerobics, news. These words are singular form, but these words ends with S. I hope all of you understand the difference between singular and plural. I have attached some notes. Go through it and study it also. That's all for today. Let's conclude today's section. See you in the next class. Thank you.